In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template. We'll walk through this using a goals tracker page as an example, but you can follow the exact same steps with any Notion page you want to turn into a template others can use. First, open the Notion page that you want to share. Make sure everything on the page is set up the way you'd like people to see it. Your databases, views, example entries, and any instructions you've added. Think of this as your master version. Once you're happy with how it looks, we're ready to share it. At the top right corner of your Notion window, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your sharing and publishing options live. Inside the sharing panel, look for the tab or section labeled Publish. Click on Publish to move from the regular sharing options into the public publishing options. This is what lets you share your page as a web link. Next, you'll see a button that also says Publish. Click that to actually publish the page to the web. What this does is create a public web version of your Notion page that anyone with the link can open in their browser, even if they don't have access to your workspace. Once the page is published, you'll see some additional options. One of the most important ones is called Allow Duplicate as Template, or Duplicate as Template. Make sure this is turned on. When this is enabled, people who open your link will see a duplicate button in the top right of the page. Clicking that will copy your template into their own Notion workspace, so they can customize it without affecting your original. After you've confirmed that Duplicate as Template is enabled, highlight and copy the public link that Notion provides in the Publish area. This is the link you can share with others. You can paste it into an email, drop it into a group chat, add it to your website, or share it on social media. Anyone who opens that link will see your template and be able to duplicate it into their own space. If you'd rather share the page privately instead of publishing it to the entire web, you can use the same Share button. But instead of the Publish tab, invite specific people by email and give them Can View permissions. Just keep in mind that private shares are best for collaboration or small groups, while Publish and Duplicate as Template is ideal for sharing a reusable template with a wider audience.